Good afternoon guys. Good afternoon guys. Panibagong video na naman natin today's support nyo guys yung YouTube channel natin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Tagal ah. Gamitin mo yung guys, meta hero. Sino ba? Ito naman kung sino. Kasi mga ginagamit ko ngayon parang ano, hirap eh. Ano lambot. Tagal, hindi ko mag-start ng isa. Yun. Yun, nice. Sa jungle tayo.
Please ban a hero.
Siyempre si ano, Estes. Ito ba nyo to? Makakad yan.
Your team is banning.
Ito pag hindi napigilan yan. Magdos.
Your team is picking. Hana, Sanjo. The enemy is picking.
Maghanabing. Sino ba gamitin natin? Wala pa kasi sino nakanak ko eh. Kaya busa muna. Natin gawin. Busa lang.
Alright, got him lined up in my sights.
Sana hindi ban.
I've been waiting for too long. Please pick a hero.
Medyo ano nila.
I tolerate.
Where there is light,
The enemy
also shadows.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Nagprangko nga.
Demons shall bathe in their blood.
Your
The
team
light
is
belongs to
picking.
the righteous.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Nice man, 2 mm namin. Halatang ano. Halatang nagpapa-GG na naman yung kakampi ah. Wala guys, parang delikado yung line up namin. Dalawa ba naman yung marksman?
I will choose my own path.
The enemy is picking.
Ano to rin? Kung yung niya, nasang tama.
Shadow.
Nasang amat. Lakas ng amats mo boy. Nawala na ngayong Hanabi. Ano ba yan? Pero okay lang yun guys. Try natin yung ano yun. Buhat. Kung kakayanin natin. Kaya naman to siguro. Ano yan? Ba't walang nakamaster sa kanila? Masterize. Sa amin din. Aray ko po. Ay 2 meron. Merong 2. Sa kalaban talaga wala kahit isa eh. Mga computer siguro yan. Mga kalaban.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Use room.
I pause for
Clear
greater.
room. Clear room. Aray ko po. Ay, hindi.
Desperation. Your best.
Buti na retry ko. Muli yung kamay ko ah. Hindi pala yung brown
A
ko.
defender and a warrior.
Hiyak na naman. Ano? Ala, okay na hiyak. Aray ko po.
Justice illuminates within.
Hindi, Frankong. Mag-iisip ka na ngayon. Hindi ako pinatulog ni Frankong. Hindi ako talaga na ito nakapitong ni Frankong, oh. Patay. Yan, magalit mo kasi. Sabing umuwi ka na kasi.
Always
Ayan,
ready
Frankong.
to prove my dominance.
Ito pa yata, gusto pa yata nito ni Queenie ah. Sige,
An
bigyan natin si
enemy
Queen.
has been slain.
Diretso tayo sa turtle.
Pray. Sharpen.
Ally has
Sa
been
level 4
slain.
na. Ay, habang dito sa level 4, bigyan na natin ito. Ay,
Ally has been slain.
nakapag-ulti naman.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
It's the only truth in a world
Lagay,
full of
Request backup. Okay. Launch
aray
attack.
ko po.
conceit.
An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain.
Sorry guys, nakafocus tayo. Masyado nakapagbalita.
My needle. My beak.
Focus sa goal. Aba, Kimi. Unit ka, Kimi.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Unit lang yan eh. Si Kimi.
You will be done for.
Hello, nang audit ko ng bot.
Pay the price
Wala
now.
lang.
Safe.
Si Kimi, unit.
Request backup.
This plan is here to end the infinite done.
An enemy has been slain.
Tara, tara. Ingat siguro.
With your inner self.
So, si Kiming, nasa baba si Kiming, guys.
When calamity illusions. Hero rise.
Ally has been slain.
Diyan, diyan.
Slain.
Aray, suko.
Launch attack.
Inabot ko rin.
Understood.
Lagi mo ako kasi nung patrang mo ah.
Request backup.
Kahit hindi dito.
I pause. Persistence.
Hirap na patrang ko.
An ally has slain the turtle.
My beacon.
Hindi na.
Request backup. Killing spree.
Igipit na yan eh. Wala, tinis na.
This blade is
Your
here.
team
in the
destroyed. Enemy has been slain.
Yan si Kimi.
Pay the price now.
Si Kimi. Papakita sa atin si Kimi ah.
Launch attack. Mega kill.
Nice. Hindi rin gawa ko.
An ally has
Meron
been slain.
natin. Rom.
Justice. Illumination within.
Atin lang dito papakuha.
Our turret has been destroyed. Team destroy the turret.
Ano ba yan?
An enemy has been slain.
Ano dapat na ano natin yun?
Request backup.
We'll all be
Grabe na
stopped.
to.
Attack the turret. Initiate retreat. Destroy the
Turret.
turret.
Yup. Ha.
An ally has been slain.
Safe.
An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain. Godlike.
Siguro. Okay, ulagi ah. Yan, nagpus na lang Mia.
Make peace.
Aray, sakit. Karagis naman. Gusto na. Pwede na tayo dito magtuloy-tuloy na ano. Pwede na natin sila dito abangan. Ano, patay ka.
Legendary.
Ano, inabangan lang yan. Ako,
An enemy has been slain. Shut
Thank you.
down. Unstoppable.
nadali tayo ah. Give me yang. Pasukin mo. Kahit walang ano, walang minions, pinapasok mo yung kwan. Angat.
Your team launch attack.
Understood.
Launch attack.
Kaya nagdala sa
Ally has been killing spree.
ito.
Double kill.
Buenamano.
We're chronicling these.
Ally has been You have slain an enemy.
Buenamano. Dito yata yung tangka. Wala. Save ah.
Attack the Lord.
Kasi yung dyan. Wait.
Okay.
Sagad tayo.
Attack the Lord. Okay.
Nice one.
We'll tear you asunder. Yup. Ha.
Go.
Slain Lord.
Hindi. Ang anak na ID ba?
Safe. Ready.
You have slain an enemy.
Nakikipibot na ito yung dude.
Yup.
Bukas yun ah.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a double kill.
Sorry guys.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Napindod natin. Bago ko mag-rating ah. Kamali tayo ng replay. Tumiming na ito talaga.
Our turret is under attack.
Ako man, first
Clear
word lang
the
tayo
wicket.
ngayon. Malambot lang.
Without report.
An
natin. Kaya natin tapusin. Alam ko kaya natin tapusin.
Ano ba yan?
Kaya hindi natin.
Hate is the only truth in a world full of lies.
Aray ko po na. Ano?
Double kill.
Ano naman?
You destroyed the turret. Attack.
Ayun, nice. Kaya na. Kaya na ultin.
Clear up lane. Kill.
Hello. Nice wow. Ano? Dito na.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Wait
Your
ko po.
team
Gusto kami.
destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Double
Kaya na,
kill.
minions na lang. Ay, lakas na ng minions yan. Minions na ang bahala sa inyo, idol. Nice. Ang bakas.
Victory.
Dito na lang. Guys, i-upload ko nga pala tong video na to sa YouTube channel.
Diyan sa ano, i-chat mo sa kanila.
Kaya please subscribe.
I-chat mo.
Wait lang. Hindi makachat eh.
Hindi, mamaya.
Ha? Hindi na eh. Ang alala eh.
Kasi ano mo, i-open mo muna si ano. Si, Lancelot.
Guys, i-open nga pala natin si Lancelot Classic. Hindi mo pa nabibili, di ba to? Hindi pa? Ano na ba dito si Lance? Hindi pa. Magka-classic muna tayo para magamit natin si Lance. Si Lancelot. Try.
I tolerate no invaders.
Try natin si Lancelot para magamit natin sa rank. Butata. Tagal naman nani Alpha start. Pamulit ah. Ito na si start na Tara, guys, tayo.
Thorns remain should petals fall.
Gamitin natin trial card. Itong matador yan.
Friends, fighters, countrymen, allow me the honor of introducing the Royal Matador.
Try natin to, guys. Ganda na ito gamitin. Handy dash to. Hindi na magandang skin ni Lance. Ang hero pala. Itong hero. Ay, hindi ito ano. Ito. Mahal din. Pero pag sumika tayo, guys, bibili lahat natin yung skin dito. Kaya tulungan nyo ako, guys. Para mabili natin yung dream skin natin.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Let's match them! Bronze attack deployed.
Dito sa red.
Battle spell is ready.
Hindi ako nag-i-invade eh. Nag-i-invade na ako pag alam kong ready ang kalaban. Focus muna tayo, focus.
If you lose to the Royal Matador, it's not a shame.
First blood.
Gay.
All the glory will be forgotten by history.
Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Beautiful Odette, the
Gigi ka na.
fairest
Ang
flower
aga.
of the empire.
Ang aga magpa-GG ah.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, nice.
The earth trembles beneath our feet.
Yan lang, hindi talaga mawawala yung ganito. Ganito. Kaya profit na naman ito.
Launch
Turtle tayo.
attack. Understood. Ally has been slain.
Tara.
Attack the turtle. Understood.
Hindi ko punta na si Arpe.
Request back.
For the empire.
Slain the
Hindi
turtle.
natin na Arpe. Tatalingan.
Enemy double kill.
Ay, sabihin hindi natin nagay.
Into the ring.
Nag-robot yun.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Could someone pass me the roulette?
Ang tarot. Sige.
An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy double kill. Shut down.
Nangunit. Ano ba yan?
You lose to the Royal Matador. It's not a shame.
Kaya ka para sa akin ito.
Our turret is under attack.
Try lang eh.
Into the ring.
Kapag naman ito.
Your end is nigh.
Ally has been slain.
Yun, nakatawa rin. Nice one. Tatawa rin tayo. Nahihirapan tayo guys.
Ano ba yan?
Ang ganito. Ito rin yun.
Kill.
Wait po.
It was a mishap.
Langanin.
Our turret has
Sige, huwag
been
na tayo talab. Huwag
destroyed.
na tayo talab. Dapat tayong damage. Kailangan ano na agad sila.
Killing spree.
Direct nila.
For the
Dapat
Empire
tayong
and
damage.
Odette.
Hindi na tayo sa ganito guys.
Ally has been slain. You slain an enemy. Enemy rampage. Our
Kaya,
turret is under attack.
Hindi tayo makaano ng maayos. Sige, bigyan na natin yan.
Okay.
Focus muna tayo.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack. Shut down. An ally has been slain. Double kill.
Nice
Our
one.
turret is under attack.
Triple kill. Right?
All the glory will be forgot. Your every time.
Enemy
Ala,
dominated.
nadawali po.
I just
Launch
want
attack.
Understood.
Ally has been slain. Shut down. Our turret is under attack. An enemy has
Pero
been
okay
slain.
lang. Not bad.
Good game. Request backup. Turret has been okay. Launch attack. Okay.
beautiful Odette, the fairest flower of the Empire.
Ally has an enemy has been
Hindi
slain.
nabot.
Our turret is under
Hindi
attack.
nabot ng spear natin ah.
The earth trembles beneath our feet.
Lang.
Launch attack. An enemy slain. Our turret is under attack.
Ang ko kay Hitman. Ang ko kay Hitman yan. Pwede tayo pumaya. Kasi sisipahin tayo ni Chula tayo.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Pwede tayong tumakas pero... Pwede tayo.
Enemy double
Saan hindi na ano. Sige, sige.
Our turret is under attack. Killing. Our turret has been destroyed.
Oopsie. Naging oopsie.
An ally has been slain. Keep an eye. Well played. Enemy have been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Nahabot pa rin tayo. Natawa lang sa atin si Albus.
An enemy has been slain.
For
Our
the
turret is
Empire
under
and
attack.
Odette.
Our turret
Dito ka natin, guys. Dito ka natin.
shut down. Ally has been slain.
TikTok, Bruno Mars. TikTok ka
All
na
the
lang natin
glory
ito,
will
guys.
be
Parang
forgotten
laban
by
na tayo dito.
history.
Panalo. Kaya, TikTok ka na lang natin.
Ally has been slain.
Ano na, at nalo dito.
Enemy
The
double
royal
kill.
matador. Matador. It's not a shame.
Clear up your attack. Okay. Okay.
Nandun siya.
Ally has been enemy
Dito po,
rampage.
sakit. Diba guys?
Your
Kaya
team
titik ko
destroyed
lang
a
natin
turret.
sila. Malabo pa sa malabo sa tubig.
Into the ring.
Malabo pa sa malabo sa
Under
guys.
attack. Slain.
Kaya
Turret has been
titik ko lang
destroyed.
natin sila.
Our base is under attack.
Anong
Your
gano'n
team
yun?
destroyed a turret. You slain an enemy.
Eti?
Ally has been slain.
Hello, na-execute ko. Sige, 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 sige.
Ally has been
Hello.
enemy double kill.
It was a mishap.
Muli guys, hindi na tayo mentors natin. Pero kapag nakapagdas ako doon, kasi kasama yung
Has
tuning.
been slain.
Edit eh. Sorry na lang tayo.
It's
next
okay.
game.
Just play safe.
Sige, dip nyo na lang muna. Kaya ko. Ala, dumiris ko.
Enemy rampage.
Ayun, yun, nice. Sige, sige, kamuwi.
Our base is under attack.
Kamuwi, Lord.
The
Wala,
earth
dito ka.
trembles beneath our feet.
Good
Huwag
game.
na, huwag na. Tatalong ito, ilang ito. Ano? Ano na? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Your end is done.
Tatalong.
Good game. Your turret is under
Dito
attack.
malin. Suicide ah.
Our base is under attack.
Power of the Empire.
Your turret is under attack. Has been slain. Our
No.
turret has been destroyed. Well played.
Dito na, dito na.
Your turret is under attack.
No, no.
Enemy
Dito na tayo
double kill.
dito na lang ang pagpapalo natin.
Ally has base is under attack.
Di ba wala tayong nagawa? Okay lang guys, bago na tayo. MVP ah. Nag-MVP pa tayo. Hindi na masama. Oh, classic lang muna tayo. I-unlock natin to sa rank para ma-unlock natin siya. Nagamit natin sa rank. Kasi nakapatungan guys eh.
Friends, fighters, countrymen, allow me the honor of introducing the Royal Matador.
Ito yata may nag-cordon ah. Adjust. Si Dogo. Dalawa. May nag-coordin eh. Hindi talaga naiwasan ito sa classic. Gingan. Mukhang na nag-FP pa ata.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
May kagaw tayo sa bot, guys. Ay, dito. Sige, padali na lang tayo sa repo. Wala, repo na yan. Wala.
For the Empire and Odette.
Ako na una, sorry.
All the glory will be forgotten by history.
Hindi niya na kinuha yung red. Sabi
Someone
niya,
pass
hindi ko madali yung agawan ng bot.
First blood!
Isip nga, mahirap yung agawan ng bot, guys.
If you lose to the Royal Matador, it's not a shame.
Tama na, ganun nag-play na lang tuloy siya.
Into the ring. Beautiful Odette, the fairest flower of the Empire.
Direct na agad tayo na itong teleport.
The earth trembles beneath.
Marunong yung tao.
Ally has slain a turtle! You have slain an enemy!
Makaano agad tayo ah.
If you lose to the Royal Matador, it's not a shame.
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
For the Empire and Odette.
Double kill.
Ay. Galing.
The earth trembles beneath our feet.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Could someone pass me the muleta?
Kaayo.
Beautiful Odette, the fairest flower of the
Has been
Empire.
slain.
Nice one. Nice one.
All the glory will be forgotten by history.
Nice
Into the
one.
ring.
Killing
Kaya
spree.
kaya na to.
destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Request that. Understood.
Mag-enjoy. Kaya? Kaya yan.
An ally has been slain.
Kaya. Kaya. No, naka-double kill tayo. Suicide. Tara. Tapos na lang natin itong mid. Buwan yung turtle. Buwan natin ito.
Killing spree. An ally has been slain.
For the Empire and Odette.
An ally has slain the turtle. Double kill.
Hello!
Request backup.
Pumurot bus ah. Only dash di ba guys?
Beautiful Odette, the fairest flower of the Empire.
Only dash kasi lang slow. Diba?
That was amazing.
Hello, only dong.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Talagang mai-inlove yung mga babae sa'yo pag hindi ka.
Launch attack. Enemy
Sabi yung
rampage.
mga ano, galing ng Lancelot. Ang galing ah.
All the glory will be
angas na.
forgotten by history.
Hindi, kailangan kasi natin ng bat. Hindi natin yun eh. Hindi.
Earth
Kailangan kasi natin pa-recuperate ng Underbite. Kailangan natin ng bat. Para mabilis ang cooldown niya.
Our turret is
Gaya
under
na ito.
attack.
Tama.
into the ring.
Shut down. Killing spree. An enemy has
Wait lang. Puntahan natin sila.
been slain. Gather up the Lord.
Dito natin sila.
Good game.
Beautiful Odette, the fairest flower
No,
of the
wala.
Empire.
Launch attack.
Empire and Odette.
Huwag na. Huwag natin ilag.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
If you lose to the Royal Matador, it's not a shame.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Someone pass me the defenders.
Mega kill. An ally has been slain.
Hello, Lupin.
Shut down.
All the glory will be forgotten by
Lupin, sige Ramel daw.
Gather up the Lord.
Nagla-live ako to eh.
Ha?
Nagla-live.
Saan?
Yun na Lancelot.
Let him know.
Mega kill.
Kaya nga ito eh. Hello, triple kill. Triple kill ako kay long slip eh.
Great play!
Oh. Wait lang to, pagtapusin ko lang to. Yun nga.
Pinuntahan ko yung dalawa. Yung Shopee.
If you lose to the Royal Matador, it's not a shame.
Kasi ako din.
Hindi na tayo maabot.
It was a mishap.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Yun guys.
Has been slain.
Sana ba yung dash ko? Doon dapat.
Dito sa JNT, depende sa parcel na i-deliver. 10 piso isa.
Gather up the Lord!
Oo, dito. Oo, dito sa dito.
Opo.
Inisip ko.
Paano?
Tapos,
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Hindi ka tulad ng...
An ally has been. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Retreat from the Lord. Attack the Lord.
Hindi ka regular to? Prelude na natin to.
For the Empire and
Gather up the Lord. Retreat from the Lord. Your turret has been destroyed.
At least,
Teka dito
ilan
na.
lang yung madeliver ko. 40.
Our turret is under attack.
the ring.
Attack the Lord. Attack Flame Lord.
Enough.
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Ally has
Nice
been
one.
double killed.
Nice one. Si Mia.
Sa real sa...
Patay na si Mia guys.
Yan sa...
Wala naman kami.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Hindi na yun.
Shut down. Unstoppable. Twice. Enemy double kill.
Hello.
Shut down.
Nabil
Your
tayo.
team destroyed a
Nabil
turret.
tayo. Finish na yan eh. Nice day guys. Pasal na lang po.
Victory.
Like and subscribe. Tumatit yung mga kambing. Ang dami yun. Mga kambing. Yun daw.
Ay, nagkalat ah.
Nagkalat yung kambing. Yun mo parang sa Illuminati yung kambing. Oh. Ay,
Kung saan nagnilakad.
ayan yata yung sa mga Illuminati eh.
Wala nakawala.
Oo. Pinakawalan ba yan?
Baka nakawala.
Ito.
Hindi, meron nag-ano din.
Walang
Saan pumunta yung iba?
walang tao yun. Walang nagbabantay.
Meron yan.
Nakita yung isa.
Iligaw mo yung isa, no? Iligaw mo yung isa.
Ayun.
Iligaw mo yung isa.
Mahal pa
Baka-
nam...
Nagagalit, oh.
Wala, tumakbo yung isa din sa loob.
Ha? Maligalig.
Hey, maharot.
Pabalya ka nga, Kit.
Ay, sakit.
Kung masakit.
Sakit.
Baka kainin yung ano.
Masakit yun. Ayun, dito lang dito.
Ito na yung sa ito na.
Tapos pinabaki,
Oo, ito.
tapos mo na.
Hindi pa. Oo, doon pa na po siya.
Magpabalya ka nga. Tingnan natin kung malakas. Galitin mo.